This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Depress the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the slam panel and engage the end with the hole in the underside of the bonnet. Clean the area around the fuel filter and place absorbent rags beneath it to catch any spilled fuel. Depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug from the top of the filter. Detach the 3 fuel hose quick release connectors and remove the hoses from the fuel filter housing and cover. Use 2 screwdrivers to depress the retaining tangs. Suitably cover or plug the open hose connections to prevent dirt entry. Depress the clip at the base, then slide the filter housing upwards from the bracket. Unclip the coolant hose and the wiring plug from the bracket.